You're watching UNICEF television. A few months ago, when life in the small village of Wadamagu in Somaliland, northwest Somalia, came to a standstill, it was the beginning of drought, and the only borehole in the village was broken, leaving hundreds of people and tens of thousands of animals without access to water. The borehole used to be in such high demand that it was operating day and night, serving people from as far away as 90 kilometers. 55-year-old Amina Jama is a mother of 9. Fetching water early in the morning is part of her daily routine. The pump that sucks the water from the borehole and empties into the village main tank, where it then flows to the outlet taps, was broken. For a poor community, even a simple mechanical problem like this one can paralyze the entire water system for months.
And the ground force submersible pump, nobody can open it for the coils inside. It's very difficult. Because we need the material, we need the oxygen, things like that, and we don't have. So automatically, the livestock, the people, they are waiting for that.
The breakdown of the water system meant that the village became almost uninhabitable. At the same time, the drought hit hard, causing any alternative shallow water source to dry up. People started to move, desperately looking for water. Like many others, Amina's family became displaced. They walked for 8 days to reach Burao, where they lived as squatters on the outskirts of the town for 6 months. UNICEF helped solve the problem in Wadamagu village by importing the spare parts necessary to repair the water pump. This is part of UNICEF's larger program to establish water systems and make them operational across Somalia. With the water shortage problem now solved, Amina and her family returned to their village. Her children were able to return to school, which they had abandoned 3 months prior when they left for Burao. The migration of people in search of water had a serious impact on children's school enrollment and attendance, as well as access to health services.
marka biyuhu ay ka kala go'aan waxbarashada iskuulka ayaa hoos u dhacda saameyn ballaaran way ku yeelatay xagga ardayda qaar waxay ka baxaan meeshada oo reeriho ama guuray la guuraanba qaar kalena waqtiga habsan iyo waxa ku dhaca xilliga waxbarashada ka soo habsaamaan iyagoo ku mashquula biyaha oo reeruhu ay u dirtaan.
A functioning and safe water source helped bring life back to the community of Wadamagu and helped children get back onto their daily routine.
That kind of borehole will give so much benefit to communities. One is that usually many people have to walk many hours, sometimes the morning more than several hours to fetch water, so that we can reduce the time of the traveling to just fetch water. There is quite increased chance of violence or that gender-based violence like rapes. So we can also protect women and also children, especially girls.
Sometimes all it takes is simple action to give life back to a community. Thanks to the contributions from the government of Japan aimed at enhancing social services for Somali children and women, UNICEF was able to ensure access to clean and safe water in numerous Somali regions. For more information, go to unicef.org. Unite for Children.